Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's start. Today we're going to learn the numbers. Let's start with number 1. Silver color, number 1. And then number 2. Red, number 2. Perfect. And then let's try number 3 with green color, light green. Okay, and then we have number 4, dark blue color. Number 5, orange color. Perfect. Now let's write number 6 with pink color. I love pink. And then we have number 7, sky blue color. And then let's write number 8 with orange. Perfect. And then we have number 9, violet color, number 9. And then let's write 10 with yellow. Okay, guys, now let's write number 11 with silver color. And then we have 12, red color, number 12. And then we have 13 with light green color. And then let's write 14 with dark blue color. Perfect. Now we have number 15. Perfect, with orange color. Now let's write with pink color, number 16. And then we have number 17 with sky blue color. And then let's write number 18 with orange color. And then number 19. Perfect, with violet color. And then we have 20 with yellow. I love yellow. Okay, guys, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, guys, now we are done and we have number 1 to number 20. If you want to see my next video, subscribe and like. Bye-bye.